Don't you hate it when your car breaks in the dumbest way ever? Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and leave. Just gonna unlock my car there. We're just gonna go for a little ride. Why? What's going on, everybody? My name is Cameron. Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, it finally happened. It broke. It really broke, but it's so stupid how it broke. The door handle stopped working. The car is unlocked and it won't open the door. So we're gonna go ahead and attempt to fix it today. I really am praying that the stupid door handle did not break from the inside. It's a brand new door handle. When I got the car, it had broken right here. This whole back piece was missing and I got a new one. So the way I have to get in the car, use the inside door handle now to open the door. That's if the window's down. If the window's up, I have to crawl through the passenger seat and into the racing seat. It is very, very inconvenient. I hate you so much. So first thing we gotta do is we gotta take this little thingy off. Last owner broke this, so now there's a screw in it, and there's also a hole. They didn't repair it very well, so we're gonna walk right over here, get ourselves a Phillips, not a flathead, Phillips. That'll work. Come back over here, put that right there, and take it off. Now that the screw is off, we can just pop this little guy. Pop it out. Oh, hello? What happened? Why is that stuck? No. Well, there's double-sided sticky tape on the back, and this is also broken. So we're gonna fix that too, but we gotta take a Phillips there and a Phillips there. Okay, this is all taken apart now. I have the piece inside gluing. You gotta pop this little door cup thing out, and there should be things somewhere. I really honestly don't know what's left holding on my door panel, so we're just gonna yank it off because send it. I found one. There's a little clip pin thing, Christmas tree doodad right there. I'm gonna pull that off. There's none along the back side and there's none on the underneath, so that's the last thing we'll get on. You know you haven't done this for a while when you forget there's a screw there and a screw there. Anywho, it is off now, which means we can finally fall on our butt and look at what's going on up there. Now I can see what I'm doing. Well, that's not a good sign. She broke. That's such a bummer. Man, that's unfortunate. It's a brand new door handle. I don't know how that happened. But it broke. Dang. Alright, let's try to go fix it. And now it's magically 2 days later. We got the door handle fixed. It's on there. Pretty well. I mean, sturdy. Really hope it fixes itself. What, dog? I hear you. Stop it. Anyways, hope it fixes itself. We'll see what we can do. Just gotta slide it back in here now. And pray that it works. Alright, moment of truth. Hallelujah. I don't have to crawl through my car anymore. Okay. Dog, why are you barking at me again? Door panel. Gotta throw it back on. I got electrocuted by that little thingy. That needs to go back on because that's fixed now. And the door cup. And then we'll be back together. Alright, it is all back together. Man, that feels so good now. But for my OCD guys like me, you know we gotta fix this little section here, tuck all those back in. That's just a 99 to 04 thing. That one can be fixed. But this. Nice. All right, guys. I think that's gonna do it for today. We set out to fix a problem, and we did. Man, I'm so happy that's back together now. I don't have to crawl to my passenger seat to... We're gonna go outside. I don't have to crawl through my passenger seat to get my door unlocked, which is so much better. But hey, we're gonna end it there. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Cameron. I hope to see you in the next one. Have a good day. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Remember, I am giving away a pair of headlights at 10,000 subscribers. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, like the video, and follow me on Instagram at Camco2313, just like the channel's name. I'll be drawing the winner from my Instagram once my page hits 10,000 subscribers. Thank you guys again. I appreciate all your support. Have a great rest of your day.